What is up, YouTube? Stephanie Garcia here, just coming at you with another daily vlog. Today is May 26th, I think. I don't know, might be the 25th. No, it's the 26th. Okay, well anyways, today I'm going to just tell you about my day. Just making the little egg whites. Hey guys, okay, so I'm here at the eBay office. Just got done picturing some purses for my supervisor. She gave me like 5 purses, and she's gonna be giving me some more name brand purses that she wanted me to list for her, and then I think we're gonna split the profit. We haven't really talked about it. I know she just wants me to make money. She's probably gonna tell me to just keep it, but we're gonna split it. Whatever I can make for her, I want to give it back. But of course, keep the fee. But yeah, so I listed about 12 items today. I did a couple on my daughter's eBay, and then I'm doing a couple of things for my eBay and a couple of things for my Amazon that I need to send in FBA. So, have the camera out. That was for the purses, the nice flash. Don't use that often, but I thought it was needed right now. So I'm just gonna picture a couple more things, and I'm gonna head out. I need to get home. It's already 9 o'clock, April 26th. All right. To end the vlog from May 25th, on that day, I did so much. But what didn't I do that day? But what did I do? So what did I do is I received my first batch of purses from my boss that I put on sale. They're on my eBay. Check them out. Anyways, click the link in the description. Go buy them now. Check it out. Perfect Mother's Day gift. There's 5 total. I will have more coming out probably by the end of today. So after this video is already edited and done. So if you like the content I put out, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions or anything to say. And thank you so much for watching. As always, have a great day. Bye.